how to sell electronics and accessories on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell your own products using this platform. So the first thing I'm going to do is explain the platform for you. So guys, Etsy.com is a platform where you can sell your own products or where you can buy the other sellers' products. And as you can see in here, there are a lot of products in this platform, and there are a lot of sellers behind these products making a lot of money. So for example, let's check one of these products just to show you what you're going to learn in today's video. So let's go to check this one. I think this is a good picture, a creative picture for the product. So in today's video, guys, I'm going to teach you how to create your own shop page exactly like this one, how to add the pictures of your product no matter how much pictures you have, or how to add even a video if you have one, how to set the price, how to enter the description, the small description and the long description as well, how to show the product details, if it's handmade or not, the materials of the product, the gem color, if it's a ring or a necklace, the band color as well, the style. And the last thing I'm going to show you is how to set the shipping and return policies. So let's go back to the first page. Let's close this products page, go to this page, go to the shop manager button in your top right, click on it. Then you will proceed to setting up your Etsy shop, and in order to do that you will need to go through 6 steps. As you can see, the first step is the shop preferences, then comes name in your shop, then comes stock in your shop with photos and details, then you choose how you'll get paid, then you set up the payment or the payment processors, then you end with the shop security. So let's start from the first step, which is the shop preferences. And here you choose the shop's language, the shop's country, and the shop's currency. So let's just change the currency from the Moroccan dirham to the United States dollar. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is naming your shop. So here, let's change this name and let's enter this name instead. Remove the special characters and try to shorten the name to be between 4 and 20 characters. Let's make this. Let's leave it like this. And here, as you can see, the name is already taken. Let's just, and here this name as well is already taken. So you can choose one of these options, or you can just add a number to make the name unique. Then click on save and continue to proceed to the next step, which is stock in your shop. So here you will add some photos and details about your item. Fill out what you can for now. You'll be able to edit this later. So guys, before we proceed to add in the pictures of the product and the details, first click on save and continue to see all of the required fields that we need to fill in order to proceed to the next step. So as you can see here, we have 4 required fields. The first one is photos. At least 1 photo is required. The inventory, at least fill in the price field, the listing details, and here we will need to fill all of these fields in the red color. And we have the shipping, same as well like the listing details. We will need to fill all of these fields in red. So let's start from the photos, and here add as many as you can so buyers can see every detail. Use up to 10 photos to show your item's most important qualities. And for some tips, use natural light and no flash. Include a common object for scale. Show the item being held, worn or used. Shoot against a clean, simple background. Add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15 second video. It could help you drive more sales. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. And for some quick tips, film wearable items on a model or show a functional item being used. Adjust your settings to record high resolution video, aim 1480 pixels or higher, crop your video after you upload it to get the right dimensions. And if you want to learn how to make videos that sell, you can just click on this link. Then we have the listing details. So here you tell the world all about your item and why they love it. So you start with entering the title of your product. Then you answer these 3 questions. The first one is who made it. You have 3 options to choose from. I did, a member of my shop, another company or person. Let's go with I did. What is it? A finished product or a supply or tool to make things. Let's go with a finished product. When did you make it? You have 3 categories to choose from. Not yet made, recently, or vintage. Let's go with recently. And here for the category, just type your product name and you will have a lot of categories to choose from. Let's go with the first one, the gadgets category. And here you will have some additional details to fill, like the primary color of the product. You can choose one in here. I'm going to go with yellow. And for the secondary color, let's choose the beige. And here we have the renewal options. If you want to choose the automatic renewal, which costs 20 cents each time, or you want to choose the manual, which is free. For me, I'm going to choose the manual. Then we have the type of the product, if it's a physical product or a digital product. I'm going to choose the physical. Then we have the description. So here guys, in order to give your product a good description, make sure to start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. Not sure what else to say. Shoppers also like hearing about your process and the story behind this item. Then we have the production partners. If you have any, you can add them in here, enter their details. Then for the section tags and materials, they're all optional, so I'm just going to skip them for later. Then here you put the price of the product. Then you move on to the shipping, and as I said in the beginning, here in the shipping you fill all of these red fields. So for example, for the processing time, let's say it takes 5 to 7 days for processing. And for the origin postal code, let's enter this for example. Then we move on to the returns and exchanges policy. You can apply the 30 days one. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.